In this video, we'll guide you through the process of removing and replacing a check strap on a door of the Mercedes-Benz Actros. The check strap needs to be removed. To do this, we need to remove some other components first. For example, the door handle. Just remove the screw. It's a good idea to mark the linkages now so there are no mix-ups during reinstallation. Use a screwdriver to remove the cable clips. Pull the electrical connector and clear the path for the required special tool. First, tightly screw the special tool onto the check strap. Use a ratchet to remove the bolt between the check strap and the bracket. Now, the door can be opened wider. This makes it easier to access the next bolts that need to be removed. Once these bolts are removed, you can easily take out the check strap. However, the door extension is still in the way. Remove all the bolts and detach the first section. Then, remove the remaining 6 bolts and take off the second part of the extension. If you use the special lifting or holding device, you won't need an assistant's help. You can then proceed with the next steps on your own. Remove the check strap bracket with just a couple of flicks of the wrist. Seal the top hole with the appropriately sized stop plug. Now you can safely detach the door hinge. The door is held by the lifting or holding device. Temporarily fit the new hinge in place and use it as a template to center punch the point for the new hole. Start by pre-drilling a smaller hole. The final size of 13.5 mm is too large for the initial drilling. It's important to remember to wear your safety glasses. Now drill the hole to a size of 13.5 mm. Make sure to use a drill stop to avoid damaging the door's outer panel. Afterward, deburr the drill hole. Don't forget to apply corrosion protection. Allow it to dry thoroughly before proceeding to the next steps. Next, you need to insert a blind rivet nut. Remember to use the specified special tool. Let's compare. The old door hinge with the check strap is on the left, and on the right is the new roller Detent hinge with for bolt points. The function of the check strap is now performed by the roller detents. You can now install the new hinge. Be sure to tighten it to the specified torque of 25 Nm. Also, vacuum out the metal shavings generated during drilling. These shavings can lead to corrosion problems in the future. Then apply a generous amount of cavity protection agent. Don't skimp on it. Both the metal and the customer will appreciate your attention to detail.